Mini fridge restock for my 11 kids. In honor of National Beverage Day, here's their favorite drinks. Harley picked
cranberry grape juice.
Bodie loves
Milk.
Jason always wants
Crime.
Jordan asked for
Lemonade.
Dash requested
Sunkissed and Dr. Pepper.
Zoe wanted root beer. Bree loves
Pepsi.
And I love Pepsi too. Deshawn asked for
Capri Suns.
Patrick picked
Sunny D.
James asked for
Drip Drop.
And since the internet hates when I buy bottled water, I got him boxed water. And Alex loves
Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
They're stocked for the week. That's it for today. See you next time.